Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you the easiest way to sort your results observed from Realm database in your SwiftUI project. So for a quick overview of this project, this is a Realm view. Here we observe some results from transaction class. These are the items. I have a list for each item in I show its total and username, and I have on delete on for each. So here I just I can swipe to remove some of the items from the list. This is how it looks like here. So I just have just a second, I will run this now. So without sorting, I have something like this: 1.1, 0, 1, 0. So this is less than 0.1, and I want to sort this from 0.01 to bigger numbers. So how to achieve that? Just to clarify, in this Realm manager I have this transaction class which has a persisted primary key, couple of parameters, and it conforms to object and identifiable. And here I just add some transaction. Okay. So how to do it? In this observed results constructor, you can just add comma and type sort descriptor. For sort descriptor, use this one with key path and ascending. For key path, we can just type on what property we want to sort them. So I want to sort my items on total property, which is of type double, and I want to ascending true. So we can also try false in order you to see the difference. I will now run my project on simulator iPhone 15 Pro. As you can see now, all the results are sorted. We can also try to set this to false. Okay, so now it's from bigger ones to less. What is really important here is that swipe to delete, so on delete still works with this type of sorting. And that's it for this quick video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.